which we can do self-healing for ourselves, number one. Distant healing if they are not available, and unilateral healing if somebody one is available, bilateral if both of them are interested. There are two types of people. One, fighting and knowing that they are fighting and repenting for that, those who want to get out of fighting, number one. Number two, those who are fighting, want to fight forever, maintain an evergreen record of their comeback. They are incorrigible. We have to do something from our contribution. So those who are interested and those who feel that they are doing unavoidably and uncontrollably, their treatment is very easy. Energy level requirement from ourselves is just a starter and igniter. It is not a runner. There is starter energy and runner energy. For example, if there is a car, I cannot just start it and sit quietly like a good boy. I have to drive it. And if it is a fan, I must not switch it, then I must not run with the blades. I can just sit quietly and it will do the work. So that is known as a starter work, and that is known as a runner work. So we have starter energy and runner energies. Persons who are capable, persons who are feeling and realizing, it is enough if you are an igniter or starter. For other people, you have to be a runner. So this is that. And other official relations between three people. One is ordinate, subordinate, ordinate, coordinate, coordinate, superordinate, ordinate, superordinate. With your superiors, there is a friction. And superiors have friction with subordinates. And your friction with your coordinates. So how to remove that? There are healing process. You can put everything inside. There will be 2000 healing process. If you can properly put into tabulation and permutation, you can get at least 2000 healing process today. And second thing is social. How to deal with the disruptivism, rowdyism, terrorism and other social evils. That type of is entirely different. And behavioral correction. For example, disobedience with students, for teachers. Disobedience with the children, for parents. And also intellectual corrections. Intellectual healing is also there. For example, memory boosting, phobia eradication or phobia erosion. For example, chemistry phobia is there, physics phobia is there, Anglophobia is there, arithmophobia is there. How to avoid phobias, how to erode phobias. That is known as phobic correction. Then how to treat negligence in studies. How to control deviations like cricket, like music, like playing with people, sightseeing, roaming here and there like a Romeo. All of these things can be very well treated in healing process in intellectual dimensions. Then spiritual healing is also there. Spiritual healing is also there. For example, atheism, skepticism, no belief in God, doubt in divinity, lack of love in God, and lack of proper mind control to do spiritual exercises. So not only it can remove the unwanted, healing process is also not only for cure but also for aid. It deals with the contributive healing system, which deals with the process of implanting the necessary essential methods when they are not available, inefficiently available or insufficiently available. So moreover, it can also deal with a problem that are associated with financial restraint, that are associated with the post, promotion, whatever that we see in our life. It can be a contributive source and also a retributive source for all of our problems. So healing is an all encompassed science which can tackle any issue, and the customized exercises, they must be practiced, and the proper methodology in detail, they must be published and made available, and intensive coaching must be operated to bring out the glory and the in-depth beauty of this efficacious science, which is going to take or make our country to get into the global leadership. This is what the world is suffering of. This is the word the world is desirous of. This is what the world is now need of. This is what the world is not knowing. That we know and we can do. That's, we have got one more golden opportunity to get India rethroned into the assembly of global scenario and enthroned in the position of global leadership that we can do. And let me say you about a very small exercise. And there is a Braja Sukta. There is a Braja Sukta which is for self-cleansing and also power amplification. It is in Yajurveda. Om Pranapano Vyana Udhana Samana Me Shodhyantam Jyotiraham Viraja Vibhapma Bhujasagum Swaha Om Vakcharmamaghum Sarudhira Medhoस्थि मज्जा में शुद्ध्यंताम ज्योतिरहम विरजा विपाप्मा भूजासघुं स्वाहा ओम शिरः पाणिपाद पार्श्व पृष्ठ उदर शिश्नोपस्थ पाजौ मे शुद्ध्यन्तां ज्योतिरहं विरजा विभाप्मा भूयासघुं स्वाहा ॐ पृथिव्यप्तेजो वायुराकाशा मे शुद्ध्यन्तां ज्योतिरहं विरजा विभाप्मा भूयासघुं स्वाहा ॐ शब्दस्पर्शरूपरसगन्धा मे शुद्ध्यन्तां ज्योतिरहं विरजा विभाप्मा भूयासघुं स्वाहा ॐ मनो मे शुद्ध्यन्तां ज्योतिरहं विरजा विभाप्मा भूयासघुं स्वाहा ॐ आत्मा मे शुद्ध्यन्तां ज्योतिरहं विरजा विभाप्मा भूयासघुं स्वाहा ॐ विविक्षै स्वाहा ॐ कषोद्घाय स्वाहा ॐ अन्नमय प्राणमय मनोमय विज्ञानमय आनंदमया मे शुद्ध्यन्तां ज्योतिरहं विरजा विभाप्मा भूयासघुं स्वाहा ॐ उत्तिष्ठ पुरुष हरि लोहित पिंगलाक्षि देहि देहि ददापयिता मे शुद्ध्यन्तां ज्योतिरहं विरजा विभाप्मा भूयासघुं स्वाहा हरिः ॐ. That you be purified, vitalized and glorified. Narayana Narayana.